Welcome back everyone. Today I will introduce you a new website where you can get $10 for free to use all premium AI tools. Look at the list: GPT 5.2, Codex, Opus Claude, Claude Sonnet, and Gemini, Grok. You can use all these premium tools for free. It will pay you $10 for free to use all these websites. I used this and the result was very good. That's why I wanted to share with my audience. Look at here, I chatted with it. So for this website you will get link in the description. First of all, you need to create your account. So after creating your account, then you can use this tool. So look at, for example, whatever you want, so you can use and select here. For example, let's select Gemini 3 or Grok 4. For example, let's select Grok 4. Plan for making a portfolio, or you can just ask from plan for making a full stack inventory management system, something like this, and it will just give you all the plan, and even it will provide you the code, whatever you want. So you can use all these premium tools for free. So it will give you $10. So look at, for example, I have used lots of and still I have $7.41. The balance is this. Look at my balance. So let's wait for the answer of Grok. So Grok is generating answer for us. Define requirement, core features, non-functional requirement, assumption and constraints, gather feedback, choose a tech stack, front-end, back-end, database, additional. It will just give you a plan in set of 1 to 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, a complete plan for making this. Okay, if it will generate code for you if you ask from this. So now let's move and use this tool. Even if you use a temp email, so you can just again create an account with them and use it again for free. So the website is atxp.ai. So let's atxp.ai. Okay, so this is the website. Just check the description, so you will have a link to this website and you can use all these premium tools for free. So for this video, just like the video and also please leave a comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.